represented by Principal 4 of Magatos Integrated School, Ma'am Felisa P. Plaida, the School Principal of Nuloan Elementary School, Ma'am Ophelia A. Roca, our Barangay Captain, Honorable Jolius Anghelia, together with the barangay officials, good afternoon. Proud teachers, proud parents, our dearest graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Let me begin my speech by saying, thank you, Lord. Being in front of you now is one big gift from Him. Something that I never expect to be happening, but it's already happening. I am filled with immense gratitude and excitement to be invited as your guest speaker for this momentous occasion. To be your commencement speaker because I was unsure if I could inspire you since I was just an average student before. However, at the back of my mind, I was happy because this would be my chance to inspire and to share my story to all of you. As I look at the sea of bright faces, I am filled with nostalgia, reminiscing about my own time here at Nuloan Elementary School. It feels like just yesterday nga nag-eskwela pa ko diri. Parehas ninyo naglingkod o naminaw sa maghatag og speech during my graduation day. Before I become of who I am today, I have tons of struggles in life. I grew up without my mama, and life at the time was so difficult. 2 years old pa lang ko, wala na ko'y Mama Maria. So kad ato na-feel na nako kung unsa ka lisod ug unsay feeling nga walay mama. Mama nga mulaban, mama nga kasubungan, kaduulan o kapamaraygan kung naatay pangayoon. O labaw sa tanan, mama nga mosuporta emotionally, spiritually, and financially. Nagdako ko sa akong Lola Magdalena o Lolo Pedro. Sila ang nag-atiman sa amua, sukad pagkabata, kauban ang akong duha ka igsuon. Bisan pa man itong ikuha na ang akong lolo, wala gihapon ni undang, wala mi undangi sa pag-atiman sa akong lola, kauban ang iyang anak na si Auntie Mercy. Mapasalamaton kaayo kung nga na ako'y lola o auntie nga ni atiman sa amua. So treasure every moment. O ayaw sayangi ang chance na kauban ninyo ang inyong mama, papa, lola o lolo. Makasabaan man ka, mabunalan man ka, subiit kay part na sa ilang pagdisiplina. Gani kami kaniadto, magkinatawanay na lang ni after mabunalan sa among papa. Kung kamo karon ginabunalan og hanger sa inyong mama o papa, silhig tugo, kami kaniadto ang dili nako malimtan ang paboritong pangbunal sa akong papa. Ang sanga sa bayabas. Sakit siya, pero magkatawa na lang ko. Pero wala na ko siya ginatake as negative experience. Because I know parts pagdisiplina sa akong papa. Tung grade 3 ko, naka-decide ang akong papa o Mama Selving, which is my stepmother, na sa ilaha ko papuyon, aron man sad, dili kaay mabugatan ang akong lola sa pag-atiman sa among tulong. Kaigsuon. Kasaba diri, kasaba dito. But lately, I realized, tanan kaagi nga akong na-experience were just a preparation for my future battle. Preparation to become an independent person. Wala ko nagmahay sa akong kaagi. Experience, because of this, it helped me become stronger to face the challenges in life. Gani, ma-remember pa na ako itong nagatinda po ko o mga tinda nagniloto sa akong lola o stepmother. Ang maruyang saging. o kamuti chips na ako ang mamasilbi. Kaya lang naundang to that time, kaya wala na ako narimit akong halin. And sukad ato, nag-start ko og pangangkat og tira-tira ila ng langgay o ila Auntie Angie para lang pod na ako'y pangbalon sa ako ang eskwelahan. Okay na kayo sa kuha sa una na ako'y kanon o bulad ang sudan. Swerte kayo mo karon. Kay naamoy mama, papa, lolo o lola na muhatag o balon sa inyuha. Pero ako, wala na ako na-feel sa una. Sa una, ang akong balon good, ma-remember na ako piso or dos. Mao lang gina siya. Sukad sa akong pagkabata, na-feel na ako ang kalisod. Even sa akong pagskwela, walay mutudlo sa ako or even sa ako ang mga igsuon, maong dili ko ing ana ka-achiever way back in elementary time. Pero, wala ni siya naging hinder or hadlang sa kuha just because of these three words. Dream, believe, and achieve. So, sa akong dream? Sama sa inyo karon kung naamoy dream. Dream to become a doctor, dream to become an engineer, architect, or nurses. Ako po kaniadto na ako ko'y dream. Dream na ako mahimong computer engineer. Maski wala akong kabalo kung unsa ng computer engineer, basta mao lang na akong gusto. Because of that dream, I believe in myself na kaya na ako na, makabot na ako na maski unsa kalisod ang akong maagihan. After I graduated in elementary, I stopped studying due to heart failure. Wala ko nag-expect na magkasakit ko o dili basta-basta. And sa kadaghang part sa akong lawas, ang akong heart pagyud ang naay problema. After a year of recovery from the unforeseen battle, I enrolled at Linao National High School. I enjoyed studying with friends, doing extra activities, despite the struggles that I experienced. Ganit din na ako malikayan, magselos, masuya, or mainggit sa akong mga classmates sa una, or even sa akong igagaw. Sa first day of school pa lang, magkinumpiranay og mga notebook with artista. Kaya ako kanyanto, ang akong notebook, isa or duha lang yun akong notebook. Pero dili pa yun artista. So masuya ko, kay sila na ay mga bago, na ay bagong uniform, samantalang ako, bagong labang na uniform, tinubuan sa akong kuya. 4 years kong binaktasay sa 7 kilometers kada adlaw, kay dili pa man uso ang motor sa una. Kung naa may motor gani, di pud ko ka-afford kay walay pambayad sa maghatod sundo. Pero wala ko nagreklamo kay mas nag-enjoy ko mag-eskwela, magbaktas kauban ang mga friends. Nancy, that's my batchmate, way back in elementary also. So, Roberto and kung ako'y mga batchmate diri. Pero kato siya, ibuhat na ko siya as my motivation to finish my studies. Okay? Gihimo na ako siya as motivation to finish my studies in high school with flying colors. After I graduated in high school last 2007-2008, I decided to move in Davao City and to find any job for as long as legal suklen ako. I worked as a bagger in a supermarket, naging janitor, dicer, waiter, and sales associate in different companies until I become part of the NCCC family last 2010 to 2014. That opens my door to pursue and continue my studies again. In 2011, I enrolled in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. My fourth and not my chosen course, since I still had no idea what college life was about, and my cousin who helped me decide to enroll in that course. Actually, my first course was civil engineering. However, it's difficult for me to manage knowing that knowing that course is very hard and I am a working student. Second was the accountancy. I asked myself, kaya ko ba ang accountancy knowing that accountancy is a combination of mathematics and English? Hard lang kong math pero dili ko hard kong English. And my third choice was HRM. However, my cousin told me that not good for me about that course. That's why I asked him to decide what course I should take. And finally, I enrolled at the University of Mindanao taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. My college life was a roller coaster. Bago nag-start akong first year college student, nakikisabot ko sa akong kuya. Lami kay kong sabot sa akong kuya nga magtinabangay ng eskwela, knowing nga dili basta-basta mo eskwela college. And yes, nisugot ang akong kuya na magtinabangay niya. Pero wa damha pila ka months nagminyo ang akong kuya. Wala akong kasabot sa akong gibati kung malipay ba ko or maguol. Halos everyday ko nagahilak, nagaadtog simbahan, asking for guidance kung ipadayon na ako akong pagskwela sa college. Pero, I condition myself, kaya ko to. Dream ko to. Laban ko to. Maumbi ko muundang para ni sa akong future. Nigawas kong simbahan nga happy o determined to finish my studies masking walay mutabang o musuporta sa akoa. Thankful and blessed ko kay nakasulod ko sa NCCC as part-time employee. Balance and discipline sa sarili aron ma-manage ang trabaho o pagskwela. Kumbaga, every second, minute, and hour is counted. Halos magpakalimos ko og time para lang makatulog og saktong oras. Sukad sa akong pagka-working student, 3 to 4 hours lang ang akong tulog every day. Dili jud dalim ang iani ang rotation kada adlaw. Pero wa ko'y mabuhat kundi magagwanta. Need na ako magdoble kayod kay ngano ang bayro nun sa eskwelahan o ang bayro nun sa boarding house nangaway na. Sakit lang paminawon sad kay naay ubang tao nga dili makasabot sa imong sitwasyon. Pero, wala na ko na siya giisip as negative. Instead, gihimo na ko siya as my motivation na humanon ang pagskwela. Remember, dreamer and believer ko. And thank God, I achieved my dream na humanjud na ako ang akong pagskwela sa kursong Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, within 4 years, with no failing grades and no laude, but proud of myself. And thankful pud ko sa ako ang mga true o legit friends, kay wala ko gibiyaan sa ako ang laban. With all these experiences, one thing is common. Naay reason ang tanan. Trust the process and trust God's plans for you. Ayaw og undang tungod sa kalisod. Kay dili nato makita ang naa sa unahan kung muundang ta sa atong pangandoy. After I graduated in college, I took the board exam. While waiting for the result, I worked as a call center agent, then luckily got my license. Tung time nga nakita na ako akong pangalan nga apil ko sa nakapasar og board exam, dili na ako ma-explain ang ako ang gibati. Kumbaga, proud ko sa akong sarili nga naa ako'y ikapanghambog sa ako ang parents or sa akong papa kay lagi nakapasar na ko. And for the first time in history sa among family, ako ang first time nga nakapasar og board exam sa teacher. And I hope proud ang akong papa. In 2016, I became part of the Holy Child College of Davao as a substitute mathematics teacher in grade 5 level. Then moved to Philippine Women's College of Davao last 2016 and to 2019. Masking nanarbahon ako, dili gihapon makumpleto ang ako ang self. Kay longing ko na gusto nako ang akong papa ang mutaod sa ako during my graduation day. However, wala siya niadto sa akong graduation sa college. That's why I motivate to school again. So I decided to enroll my master's degree at the Holy Cross of Davao College and graduated as magna cum laude. In 2020, I became part of the DepEd family at Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Davao City. Then after 3 years, I was promoted as teacher 3. Also, I am a part-time college professor at the University of Mindanao, Davao City. My dear graduates, if you want to become the kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, you must work hard no matter what your social status is. If you have perseverance, determination, and courage, then you will achieve your dreams. To the teachers, state administrators, and stakeholders of Niloan Elementary School, kudos to your dedications, hard work, and commitment to creating and enriching and supportive educational environment. Your effort in fostering a culture of learning and growth are truly commendable. The positive impact you have on the students is evident in their enthusiasm and academic achievements. Thank you for your tireless work and unwavering support for the betterment of the school community. Your passion for education inspires not only the students, but also the broader community. Keep up the excellent work, moms and sir. To the parents nga naa diri karon, especially katong napay ginapaskwela, push nilang yan. Makalahutay o makahumandra mo sa inyong pag-antos. I know your sacrifices, dugo, luha o singot ang inyong ihatag para makasustain sa panginhanglan is not a joke. Yet, you still manage to make the impossible possible. Wala ning mga graduates kung dili tungod sa inyuha. I salute you for your hard work and love to these amazing young individuals. To the graduates, I want to say congratulations. You have worked tirelessly, overcame challenges, and shown incredible resilience to reach this pivotal moment in your lives. Today marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. You should be immensely proud of yourselves. Never stop dreaming, believing, and achieving your goals in life. As you are about to start a new chapter in your life, I urge you to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead with open arms. The journey you are about to embark on will be filled with twists and turns, highs and lows. But these experiences will shape you into a remarkable individual you are destined to become. Remember that success is not defined by the awards you receive, but by the impact you made on the world around you. Each and every one of you has the power to affect change, to inspire others, and to leave a lasting legacy. As you venture forth into the unknown, I encourage you to stay true to yourselves. Pursue your passion persistently, and never lose sight of your dreams. And above all else, remember the lessons you have learned here at Nyolon Elementary School, the importance of kindness, compassion, and empathy. Lastly, I would want you to leave with a simple yet profound truth by Eleanor Roosevelt. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dream big, work hard, never lose sight of the incredible potential that lies within each and every one of you. Let us never forget our Almighty for giving us endless opportunities to dream, believe, and achieve. Do your best in everything because you are doing it for His glory and honor. Again, congratulations, my dear graduates. May your journey be filled with joy, success, and endless possibilities. Thank you very much and mabuhay.
Thank you so much, sir. So before anything else, we would like to give you our simple token of appreciation for gracing the occasion for this afternoon, and also a certificate of appreciation. The citation says, Republic of the Philippines, Region 11, Division of Davao del Norte,